So when you first convene your writer's room on a TV show, um, the first thing you try to do is try and come up with the overarching story for the season. So you'll know when you start if you're going to have a season of 8 episodes or 10 episodes or 13 episodes. At The Handmaid's Tale, we've had seasons of 10, we've had seasons of 13. So the first thing that we would do on these continuing shows is sometimes we'd all get together and just watch all the episodes from the previous season. And then we sit down and we write on cards anonymously, although everyone knows each other's handwriting. Things like what were our favorite moments from last season, who are our favorite characters, who are our least favorite characters, what we think worked best, what we think did not work. And for shows that are really character based, the very first thing you do for those first couple weeks in the writer's room is talk pretty seriously about every character and who they are and what they want, and then you talk about their story, what their story should be for this season, and you arc them out over, say, the 10 or 13 for us, the 10 or 13 episodes that we're doing. You'll do things like you'll say, okay, when will this character A, kiss character B? When will character A break up with character B? When will this character, quit her job or decide to flee or, lose everything. And you kind of figure out which episode you want certain milestones to land.